Hello everyone. We are the students of RMD Engineering College. I have done a project on heartbeat sensor using LM358 IC, and we are submitting this project to a linear integrated circuit subject EC8453. And this project is done by Vishwajit, Revant, myself, Shanmugam, Srivas, and Surender. And let's see about the introduction. It is user to send heartbeat sensor is usually used to sense the heartbeat of a person using IR transmitter and receiver. Heartbeat sensor is monitoring device that measures the heart rate. For example, the speed of the heartbeat. The person heartbeat is the sound of the valves in his heart expanding or contracting as they force blood from one region to another. There are two ways to monitor the heart rate. One way is to manually check the pulse either at the wrist or neck, and the other way is to use the heartbeat sensor. In this project, we will show you how to design a circuit that can sense the heartbeat by using LM358 IC along with the infrared transmitter and receiver. The IR transmitter in the circuit is an IR LED and the detector will be the photodiode. And the session will be hand over to the project member Srivas.
Yeah, myself, Srivas. Let's see about the components used in the circuit. Let's talk about LM358 IC. The LM358 consists of two independent high-gain operational amplifier, low-power dual-channel op-amp, high gain with the internal frequency compensation. Single power supply will be required to operate the both op-amp in LM358. We can also use a split power supply. The device has a low power supply voltage. In this IC, we have two operational amplifier which can be used as a comparator. The low power drain also makes the LM358 IC as a good choice for 9-volt battery. The pictures are shown below. Let's continue with Shanmugam.
Okay, myself Shanmugam explaining you about the pin configuration of an LM358 IC. It is an 8-pin IC. It consists of 8 pins. Actually, this IC has two operational amplifiers. As we know, operational amplifiers has two inputs and one output. Two inputs of inverting inputs and non-inverting inputs. And it has two operational amplifiers. In op-amp A, the inverting input A is in the pin 2. Non-inverting input of operational amplifier A is in the pin 3, and operational amplifier B has an inverting input at pin 6 and non-inverting input at pin 5. The corresponding operational amplifiers outputs of pin A and operational amplifier A and B be the pin 1 and pin 7 respectively. And we have a ground at pin 4, and we have a, as Srivas said, we can give only one input voltage. It is to be in the pin 8. And okay, then we can proceed with Revant explaining you about the IR transmitter and receiver.
Yes, myself Revant. Now I am here to say about IR transmitter and receiver. IR transmitter and IR receiver are commonly used to control electronic devices wirelessly, mainly through a remote, TV remotes, and AC remotes are the best example of IR transmitters. We generally use TS OP 1738 as the IR receiver. Now let us continue with Vishwajit.
Hello everyone. Now let's discuss about the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, we could able to see that IR receiver and transmitter are being connected to the LM358 at the corresponding output pins, and the capacitor is been just being given for just an old circuit. Now let's see the working model. This is our project photo which we have done. Here you are seeing out the LM358 IC. This is the project video. You are seeing out the LED is going on for the on state and off state due to the arc pulses which are being given to the IR receiver and transmitter. At the sudden moment of switch to a non-living thing such as a pencil, the LED is going to a sudden off state. Now let me hand over the section to Mr. Surender to conclude the section. Surender, take on.
Hi everyone. Here is a conclusion of this project. By this project, we gain knowledge in this areas of circuit involving LM358 IC, which comprises of dual op-amp, with internal frequency compensation. The circuit is used in medical equipment such as oximeter and electrocardiogram. That's all about this project.
Thank you for giving us a wonderful opportunity.